Previously on Mason's ADV.
Thank you very much, everybody at Lighthouse Campground. That was an awesome night. What a cool spot, eh, guys?
Yeah. I wish this went somewhere other than around the long way because I love this run. This here, Venom, this is my favorite turn.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
So here's a bit of an overview of our 3-day-long weekend trip. We started at the base of the Bruce Peninsula in Ontario, Canada, and rode up to Tobermory and crossed the ferry to South Bay Mouth. We finished our day off with episode 2, which was the trip from South Bay Mouth across Manitoulin Island to Mississauga Lighthouse. Episode 3 saw us travel back across Manitoulin Island and across the swing bridge at Little Current and travel the beautiful highway up to Espanola. In this episode, we're going to continue on with our day 2 and our ride from Espanola to Bala, where we were spending the night. Unfortunately for me, this is where my troubles began.
Oh, he's beside me. I used to do that to Melon.
Today you just almost rammed into him.
Yeah.
What's this, a chicane?
A chicane.
Apparently.
It's a slalom.
This would have been good at like 90.
Ooh.
There's so many bikes out today, you can almost just leave your hand out. Oh yeah. Well, we should average 100 for 3 hours. That's 300 altogether. Maybe we should be able to average 100k an hour doing these speeds. There is one fuel stop between here and Bala down. Or we could go into Perry Sound.
If you guys are talking about fuel, I have a piece of line in my bag that I can drain some out into a jug.
Yeah. We have options.
If we need it.
So by this point, we've ridden across the island, up to Espanola, and we've hung a right, and we're headed across towards Sudbury. It had actually been a fairly typical ride. The bikes were running well, everybody was feeling good, but this is the point in the day when the first thing went wrong, and that was my Sena headset decided to give up the ghost, and I could barely hear the other guys.
What the hell is going on here? Careful. Oh, someone got hit.
Yeah, it's a piece of a car sitting there.
Is there an accident?
Yeah, we're good.
Assume the position.
You need that little piece of cord that Mason has just to tie your throttle on.
Hey, shoot.
Yeah.
One thing you haven't tried yet, and maybe it applies to the 2013s more so than my era, because I don't seem to need it, but a fork brace.
Yeah, maybe, eh?
Just something to think about. Dad has one on his, and they can really stiffen up the front end.
Okay. I'll order one and try it. I'm game for anything right now. Trailer on the road here.
That's sometimes where I set my trailer.
Maybe it is your
It's
trailer.
way cheaper and less populated than Walmart parking.
Yep, except it's noisy with all the traffic.
You cannot, however, just walk in and buy Pringles.
And it's very easy to lose an awning.
The second thing in this crazy day is when this happened.
Yeah, nice. Woo! Is this really loose or is it just me? The road. Okay, I got a tire going down, boys. Something's wrong. I'm stopping. I'm sorry.
I'm with you here, so.
I don't know what's up, but I am all over the place. Yep.
If we can get over there, Mason, we will.
It's my rear. Yep.
Okay, so let's try to get there.
The craziest thing was that we happened to come to a stop right beside a rest area. Unbelievable on this stretch of highway.
Mason, you go ahead of me, okay?
Okay.
After this white car.
Am I good oncoming?
White Jeep. Yeah. All good.
I can hardly drive her. Oh my God. Don't know.
Oh, it's like flat now.
She's done, yeah.
Well, here you were vlogging about changing this prick on the side of the road.
Sorry, guys.
Here we go. No worries. It's not like you said, "F it, I'm having a flat tire now."
I was watching you so carefully to see if you had gotten squirrely at the same time I got squirrely.
No, good call though. Better to get off.
Damn. Well, yeah, it won't be bad. It's just a tube.
So after kicking out the old tube and throwing in a new one, we were ready to get back on the road. We still had some distance to cover till Bala, so we needed to make up some time.
Our exit's right there. Oh, really? Yeah. I don't have anybody.
Unfortunately, the Sena issues were getting worse, and I really couldn't hear anyone at this point. But we just had to press on. I didn't have time to mess with it.
We're going? Oh, it better feel good from there. One of Ontario's wild elk herds is right here. Like there's a few herds in Ontario that are wild. One of them's right in this area. This is the military base on the right.
Yep. What do I got here? Regular.
You got regular and regular. Your options are regular and regular. Nice to know that diesel here though, because I've gone by here, I don't know how many times in my truck.
Not knowing?
Not knowing there was diesel here.
Well, I gotta spend some money this week, boys. I'm gonna get a helmet and I'm gonna get speakers. I have to sort this out. This is awful. I'm sorry. Me? I'm done. Except I did something crazy to the hose. Please hang up hose.
So I was 11 to here, Mel. So you get a little better fuel mileage.
Okay, we're all here. And rolling.
So a quick splash of fuel and we were back on the road. At least that was until this happened. So we'll leave you guys this week with my KLR on the side of the road barely running, and we'll pick it back up next week from this point on with the continuation of this crazy day I was having. So on that note, guys, thanks for watching, ride safe, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now, Mason out.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.